Hey everybody, this is Jeremy Wellborn and I am at Next Level Auto Aesthetics here in Oklahoma City. I won a certificate for window tinting, and these guys also do XPEL, but I got them to do the XPEL window tint on my 2024 E-Ray because I won a certificate in a raffle at a Corvette show. They did it. I'm just now walking up on it. I had them replace the front hood, frunk, XPEL piece because I had a nasty impact on my stingers after having it done by Esoteric, but they did the work here for that. I've not looked at it, but I see my car. I've walked up on just right where I'm at right now and had to shoot this because the car looks fantastic. I've got the window tint on there, super excited about that. I'm gonna introduce you to the guys in here. We'll take a look at their work. We'll do a walk around, we'll talk about it, see how well they did, but I'm super excited about picking my E-Ray up here at Next Level Auto Aesthetics in Oklahoma City. Gosh, you've gotta love it with the window tint on it. Totally now blacks that out, makes that all look like one piece. Of course, you got those Aerolarri wheels on there. Let's go check this window tint. Look at that reflection. Looks perfect, absolutely perfect. And then on the back, I had them do the back glass too. Check that out. Check that out. Doesn't that look good? So we've got tint on the back. They did a phenomenal job. Man, they got this booger all cleaned up for me too. They did amazing. I can't help but look at my Aerolarri wheels when I walk around my car. I just love those suckers. Look at that, man. They dressed the tires. These guys are awesome. Awesome. Wow. And then they, like I said, they were able to pull the existing XPEL off the front of this on this front hood, and then look at that. And then they did not have to, it did not pull up the stinger at all. So that was great. I'm just looking all the way around this sucker, and really, really nice install on the edges. They wrapped everything. Woo! They did a great job, but my stinger doesn't have that nasty rock chip impact that I got on the interstate headed to Bowling Green during my trips that I was taking recently. So there she is, right here at Next Level Auto Aesthetics in Oklahoma City. But my gosh, I love it with the window tint. Just another level of making this car look incredible. Wow, I'm super excited. Let's go inside, and I wanted you to meet a couple of guys inside. And right here's their information, by the way. There's their phone number. Paint correction, ceramic coating, paint protection, and window tint. They do it all right here. They're off of Western, and Hey, there's some guys. What's up, Caleb?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Good.
It's so good to see you.
Good to
I was
see
just
you,
out there admiring all this. Dustin, yes. How are you doing, man?
Good.
You guys did phenomenal work. It looks amazing.
Awesome, man. I'm
Yeah,
glad to hear that.
super excited about it. I was telling
you
it.
wanna show the shop?
Yeah, we want to show the shop around a little bit.
You actually get to see a pretty cool piece of art in here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys have just been in here a little while, right?
Yeah, not too long.
Not too long.
So we're trying to grow
oh,
into
cool.
Yeah, so we got a 36 Ford.
Yeah.
We're about to do a full PPF job on this.
Golly, that's cool.
Yeah.
So a custom PPF job you'll do on this one. My dad has a 36 Ford.
Yeah.
Yeah, two-door.
Yeah, the two-door.
Yep. He's got one too.
True
So
Bonnie and Clyde mobile.
he'll love that. You got a Land Rover back there you're working on too.
Yeah, we just actually removed a different type of film.
Yeah?
Yeah, so somebody else had a different film base right here.
Oh,
We
wow.
got rid of their film.
Yeah.
And now we're about to put
Could
XPEL
put the XPEL. There you go.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is a really nice shop. They do, I'll let you tell them. Tell everybody what you guys do here.
Yeah, so we do window tint, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, detailing, mobile detailing, and we also do architectural tint.
Okay.
So we do pretty much anything in the world of auto aesthetics and some even architectural stuff.
Sure.
So,
Great.
yeah,
So,
all XPEL based.
so it's been fun getting to know you guys and let you guys work on my car, and I'm excited about
appreciate the opportunity.
getting you guys some business here because the work's fantastic. You know, the quality thing,
Awesome.
is just fantastic. But yeah, this is going to be an interesting thing. So they don't make a pattern. They don't make patterns for this one, right?
Full bolt.
Figure it out and make it happen. So did you do paint correction on it or
Not yet.
not yet?
We just got it in. We washed it. And
Okay.
cleaned it up a little, and then now we're about to
Right.
do all the fun to it. So,
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Lots of fun. So how was my car? Was it?
Oh,
Enjoyable.
you got so
Especially when
many
you start it up first thing in the morning. It's like,
Oh yeah, that. Oh
It launches forward.
yes.
There's so much torque
It
behind
does.
it.
Yeah.
there's a little kick to
It does.
Yeah,
Yep.
So,
It's
but
crazy.
It was an incredible experience. A lot of people. You got to make a lot of people's day coming in and seeing it.
And seeing
We
it.
had a bunch
Nice.
of kids that came by too that looked at it and checked it out.
Cool.
So
I
definitely
love
made some
that.
people smile.
Well, thanks for letting it stick around here for a couple of days, extra
Oh,
days, and
always.
I appreciated that so I could get up here.
Yeah.
Got my friend Lee right there. Gave me a ride up here.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Always.
Everybody knows Razor's ZR1, 2019 ZR1. I've always been jealous of that car. All right, so you've met those guys in there. They do a fantastic job. I love their energy and their enthusiasm. They are meticulous about their work, and they can just about do anything. So I'm very appreciative of what these guys are doing. They are going to move locations pretty soon, so actually getting a new location. So I'll try to update the information about where they are here in Oklahoma City once they do that. But they've done an incredible job. The Prime XR Plus film is what's on the car. Huge reduction in the heat transfer during the summer days, which I'm going to love that. You know, here in Oklahoma, it can get really hot and that sun gets intense. So it's a great film. They did an incredible install. If you go on Google, their reviews are all 5 stars. They've been doing this with XPEL for a little over a year, I believe, and doing the detailing business for about 3 years now. So these guys are new, but they're doing an incredible job. So I'm going to give them a 5-star rating on Google. And if you want more information about what they do, feel free to reach out to me in the comments, send me a message, or come check them out here in the Oklahoma City area. Now that we're finished here, it's time to get out there and enjoy the drive.